Hello, my name is Henry Adrian Gomez. I'm in the group 408. I'm 45 years old and I'm a student of psychology. Today I'm gonna tell you about one of my favorite travel experience, San Andres and Providencia Island. I was having fun with my two children, Santi and Sophie. We were to Yonicay Natural Regional Park and also in El Acuario and Hannes game. There we spent time snorkeling. It was amazing because we love corals and swimming near to the fishes. The weather in San Andres is a little hot, but the sea breeze refreshes, especially at night. We always went to take the breakfast and lunch at the same restaurant. Its name is Reggae Food, a beautiful and delicious place where we ate salad, cheese fish, and fried plantain at that will Patacon. And we never visit the same place to the dinner every night. We went out to walk about coconut candies. Our favorites some sodas for the kids and 2 or 3 beers for me, maybe four. We really love this amazing family experience.